Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play MASHEESHA. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off. This song is in the key of D sharp. That's why my capo is on the first fret. You can either play the song with with a capo. If you don't have a capo, you can just do without and play backwards. So if you don't have a capo, you play you backwards. The progression is 6, 4, 5, 3. The 6 of course is a C minor chord. The 4 is a G sharp major chord. Remember the key of the song is D sharp, so it's G sharp. The 5 is a A sharp chord, major chord, and then finally the 3 chord is a G minor chord. So I am using my so holding the C minor chord, my pointer finger is barring on the 3rd fret, barring string 1 to 5 with my pointer finger. My middle finger playing string number 2 on the 4th fret, ring finger playing string number 4 on the 5th fret, and my small finger playing string number 3 on the 5th fret. So this is C minor chord. The chord that follows is G sharp major chord. So I am using this broken backward form of to hold this G sharp. So my pointer finger string 1 and 2 on the 4th fret, my ring finger string number 3 on the 5th fret, ring finger string number 5 on the 6th fret, and my small finger playing, or rather holding string number 4 on the 6th fret too. Then my thumb here, I'm muting this string number 6. So G sharp major chord. So you can either play this version of G sharp, or you can use a full bar chord. Or well, in this case, you just bar with your pointer finger. Will bar all the strings at the 4th fret. At the 4th fret, sure, yeah. So the other chord is A sharp. So A sharp, if you just slide that G sharp 2 frets above, 1 and 2, this will be now the A sharp major chord. So you can slide there. So now in this case, your pointer finger will place string 1 and 2 on the 6th fret, middle finger playing string number 3 on the 7th fret, ring finger playing string number 5 on the 8th fret, and your small finger will play string number 4 on the 8th fret. Thumb will bar string number 6 on the 6th fret. So that's A sharp. Also, you can, if you prefer using the full bar chord, you will just free your thumb and then use your pointer finger to bar those strings. And then finally, G minor chord here. So G minor chord, my pointer finger is on fret number 3, barring string 1, 2, and 3, and then my ring finger is on string number 4 on the 5th fret. That's G minor chord. So well, all together. So that's how you're gonna play the song. The song is those chords from start to end. If you would want to use a capo, you will of course capo that fret here, and then your 6 will remain the C sharp, and then your 4th chord will be now G. You will hold G as so. Now this one will be an open chord, of course. So in this case, you know, G, small finger, string number 1 on the 3rd fret, counting from this capo here. Middle finger playing string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and your ring finger playing string number 6 on the 3rd fret. Remember, I'm counting from the capo, where the capo is. So C minor, G sharp, then A sharp major chord. Pointer finger will you know, bar string 2, 3 and 4 with the pointer finger, and then the G minor will just be the same. So in this case, all together. So well, that's how you go play the song, and you know, it's just the same. The chorus, the verses are all the same, and yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Well, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know at the comment area. So with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.